to. Since the day I've spoken, my home was broken. So when the door was open, I was out and smoking. I didn't look for trouble, trouble looked for me. But that'd be a lie, you see. Me and trouble got along just fine. Out getting pissed on the beer and the wine. It didn't take long before I met people just like me. Vic Plot and Foxy, we made a little team, if you know what I mean. Checked a few scenes, seen a few themes, sprayed a few trains, played a few games, hung around with faces and names, went out with pretty young dames, young love and young flames.
It's alright, just keep on moving.
Wasn't nothing but sorrow in the house. I wasn't there, I went out with the boys just hanging about, playing round and acting like louts. In them days overcoming our doubts, serving up just to keep a little clout. Plotty introduced me to stealing, and all mother's words now had lost their meaning. Just stole paint to put up my name. Pretty soon it all seemed the same. So this was my brand new game. Stone Island and Ralph Lauren, that's what we were wearing then. I loved them days, so I look back again. The club scene was banging at the time. House and garage, pills and white lines could result a little strain on the mind. We dealt with it, we were fine. It felt like it was our